So I'm with Teresa. We just closed today on her condemned property in Chattanooga. Teresa, in your own words, tell me a little bit about your situation and what was going on when you called us.
I loved my house for a long time. When it was time to start fixing things, I did not have the money because of lots of reasons. My mother was ill. My dad needed help. I spent less time there. And then it snowballed into a situation I could not get on top of. Mm-hmm. And so, long story short, the city wanted to intervene. And so I knew I couldn't save it, but I thought somebody may be able to. So I started looking at ads and noticing commercials, and I started reading bios, and it landed on your website.
Yes.
And all of the scenarios, and I heard my story and some other people's, and I thought you all were the ones for me.
What would you say then, working with us, how did that help that situation? What would you say is like the best part about working with us?
There isn't just one thing.
Okay.
You and Jonathan, and your dad too. I love that it's a family. You remind me of my family. My dad is a contractor, and my mom would help him with projects, and we grew up walking through houses being built.
Yeah.
And my dad would judge the builder and whether they did a good job. So your family project made me feel like at home. Yeah. You all were very personable and encouraging and reassuring, and also very professional, resourceful, knowledgeable, and efficient. Yeah. With the time that we had.
Yeah.
And you knew how to address challenges. You addressed them. Other than to provide you what you needed, I didn't have to do much of anything. You did the work, and because you know what you're doing,
right,
we got here today.
Yeah.
And like I said, reassuring, non-judgmental, and engaging. We clicked immediately.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I enjoy talking to your brother, but you and I were like, this felt right from the get-go for me.
Yes, absolutely.
And I thought, I hate what's happening in my house. This was not the goal when I bought it. But I'm glad it can be saved.
Yes.
And I'm glad to turn it over to the right people.
What would you say to someone who's hesitant to work with us over other people? What kind of advice would you give them?
I would say call them first, just because of the greeting, the welcome, the desire to help, and the willpower and the knowledge to get it done. There's no other reason to go to anybody else.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yes.
I really do appreciate you.
You're so kind.